Good early morning, everyone. I'm Dennis Follett for YWC storm coverage of the storm surge currently affecting the southern shores of Nova Scotia. I'm here live at the Clearance Wharf right now, where the tide is approximately 16.8 feet. Now, just to give you a that is, if you were to be standing here where I am right now at the wharf, the water would be as high as it can actually get. It's actually over the wharf itself. Now, the wharf, it can go as far as the again later on as the next high tide. What's causing this big waves and storm surge waves going over the roads itself? So just take that as we're leaving early this morning. However, once you get towards the street of Water Street, that's as far as the flooding can go. But you have to know there's no problems there.